Back over here. Yeah, I'm here. Over here now.
Hey guys, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel by clicking that red subscribe button. If you're watching YouTube Kids, make sure you click the red gem to subscribe.
Toys.
Hey guys, it's Tiffany from Tubi Toys, and today we are reviewing ReadySetz. You may have seen ReadySetz in a recent video that we did with the incredible Screenslaver and Underminer. Well, that was our backdrop. I wanted to give you guys a closer look and show you how cool ReadySetz actually are. ReadySetz come in two different sizes. This is the smaller size, and as you can see, it's quite large. What's so cool about ReadySetz is that it folds back flat into the original packaging that it came with. So make sure you don't throw out the box if you do purchase this, because you can store it in the box also. I showed you in the beginning of the video how easy it is to take out and put together. I'm going to show you how easy it is to take apart. You unfold it, it folds flat. Fold in the sides, and look, it's completely flat. You could even put this in your bookshelf, behind a dresser, anything. What they have are these ramps, which are really cool for like cars or having your action figure slide down and get away from a bad guy. Comes with two ramps. You could either put one on each side. In our video with the Incredibles, I had them set up as a double ramp. I had it set up like this. I'm going to set it up one on each side. You can easily connect the other components of the ReadySetz by clicking them into this tongue and groove. It's a very, very thick cardboard. So you just put it in the hole right here. And voila, you have your own ramp. Now we have this really, really cool ramp on each side. Now we also have like this insert right here that you just lock in, or you even have a billboard. It said ReadySetz Urban 18. This is the Toy Fair exclusive one. There's also this little branch out over here, which is a little helipad. This works with all different size action figures. This is the smaller set, like I said, but there is actually a massive set where you could put larger, like 10-inch, 11, 12-inch dolls with. These are perfect size for like 3 to 5-inch figures. Throughout the playhouse, there are little areas that are really, really, really funny. So we have this sign that says Las Vegas to the right and reality to the left. And if anybody knows, Las Vegas is like a dreamland. Also an ATM, because you know you're going to be needing to take out more cash in Vegas. There's even a full service garage where they do repairing, not even auto repairs. Walk down the steps into the restricted area where it looks like the king is there himself. That's his silhouette for sure. There's even steps that go upstairs. Your action figures will love walking across this paisley carpet. The details are endless, and it's just so much fun to play with. There's like corners and crevices, doorways that open and close that lead to other rooms. And the best part is, you can mix all of your favorite toys with this set. Storm, you can't keep driving away like this. You have to pull over sometime. Never! Darn kids.
I give up, I give up.
Whoa, 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 you hear that? What, did you call in more fuzz? No, I think it's a helicopter. Oh, he's right. Here's the helicopter, and where's it gonna land? It's gonna have to land on the helipad. Go up there, boys. Look at that. It has its own helipad. Oh no, the Incredibles are coming. You know that means trouble. I'm out of here. I'm with you. Why did they stick around?
I don't know, Lucius. Jack, do you like seeing the helicopter? That's the only reason why we're here, to look at the helicopter.
Yes, it's real cool. Where are the kids? Right here. I'm here. No, I'm here. Here I am. Here I am. Back over here. Now I'm here. Over here now. Dash, cut it out. Now I'm here. All right, kids. Well, last time we were here really wasn't a good idea, because that's when Underminer and Screenslaver convinced us that the toy convention would be here. That's right. Thankfully, they're behind bars, and we have no villains to pursue. Just hanging out. Yep, just hanging out. Who said that? Bob. I think Jack senses something. I wonder what's going on. Oh no, it's the raccoon. He's back. Frozone, get the raccoon while he's down. I'm on it. Freeze. He's too strong. It's too strong. I'll get him. You got him. Excellent. Where's baby Jack? Let me go get him. Bob, go get baby Jack. He's not there. I just went to go find him. Is he in here? I don't see him.
Maybe behind these doors over here.
Nothing. Where is he? Should check behind this grate. Nothing. What about this grate over here?
He's not here either. I'm gonna have to go upstairs.
Lucius, we can't find Jack anywhere. I know you could find him. Just keep looking around. Our bandit's totally frozen. That'll teach him next time to keep attacking a little baby. Let's look behind the garage door. He's not in there. How about upstairs? Nothing here. Not here either. Where'd he go? Mom, I'll check upstairs on the left side, okay? Okay, honey. I'll keep searching on this side. Not there. Not there either. He's not here. Mom, he's not up here.
Oh no, there's a trap door here. I hope he didn't fall through. Do you think he fell through? Let's check.
He didn't fall through. Jack. Ah! I think I need to take my own advice. Mom, Dad, I think I know where he is.
Where do you think he is, son? I think he's up by the helipad. He wanted to see the helicopters, remember?
Good thinking. I'm on it already. I see a little head. Stand up, please, buddy. I can't reach you.
So glad everybody's back safe. Now let's go home. Oh no!
Jack, behind you. What? Great job, baby Jack. I'll take it from here. Can't believe you do that to a baby. Freeze. Well, all is right with everything now that we have gotten rid of that bandit. Thank you so much for helping us, Incredibles. Well, thank you for helping us find baby Jack on the helipad.
Well, as you can see, this set is amazing. There are so many different ways to play, so many different places to hide, like down the stairs, in the restricted room where Elvis Presley might be, and through tunnels, through grates, down ramps. You can have so much fun with ReadySetz. Make sure you head to ReadySetz.com to learn more about these amazing playsets. There are large ones and small ones in all different designs. Thank you so much, ReadySetz, for sending us this set for our review. We hope you liked this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to ring that notification bell every time we post a new video or host a giveaway. You'll be the first one to get notified. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.
Don't forget to subscribe. It's free. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah.